Dear students, today we will discuss what is the culture diversity or what is the role of culture diversity in the workplace. So, before starting the lecture, one should know what is culture. See, culture is the way of being. More especially, it refers to the shared language, beliefs, values, norms, behavior, and material objects that are passed down from one generation to another. Means culture is what we are getting from our ancestors. The belief, the language, the values, the norms or behavior. So that is build our culture, or that is in a culture. Now, what does it mean to be culture diverse? Culturally diverse means people have belongs to different cultures. They have different language, they have different belief sets, they have different value sets, norms, behavior. So that are all are culture diversity. Now the term culture diversity is oftenly interchangeable with the concept of multiculturalism, but the culture diversity is somehow different from multiculturalism, as multiculturalism is defined as a system of belief and behavior that recognize and respect the presence of all diverse groups in an organization or in a society. It acknowledge and value their socio-cultural differences and encourage and enable their continuous contribution within an inclusive cultural context with empower all within the organization and society. Basically, what is culturalism? Multiculturalism is, it is that system of belief and behavior where the people recognize and respect each other's presence in the workplace, in the society, and they acknowledge their values and the difference. Now, the Oxford University defines culture diversity as the existence of a variety of culture and ethnic groups within a society. Because see, if we talk about the workplace cultural diversity, we have employees from various backgrounds. We have employees from, say, North India. The organization have employees from South India, or maybe if we talk about MNCs have employees from abroad. Means they have employees from host country and home country, or from the third country nationals are there. So they have different set of values, they have different set belief systems. So that is the culture diversity, that is a culture diversity. So see, culture diversity in the workplace is a result of practices, values, traditionals or beliefs of employees based on race, age, ethnicity, religion, or a gender. So, hope the meaning of culture diversity is clear to all. And this culture diversity is arise due to globalization, economic globalization. Now people, there is no restriction, they can move from one place to another place, from one country to another country in the organization for to join the organization. Now, what are the various types of diversity found in the workplace? So first is we have education. See, in organization, we found people from different backgrounds, educational backgrounds. One may be simple 10+2, another one may have a very good engineering degree, or another one may have a maybe a management graduate. So they have a different educational background. Now, if we talk about the ethnicity, this type of culture diversity at workplace can be apparent when there are language barriers. See, if we talk about like the languages are different. If we go to south side, then it becomes very difficult for us to understand their language, and the same will happen with the people who come from south to north zone. So these are the things which bring culture diversity. Then there is generation. See, generations, like we have a diverse workforce in the organization. We have people from say uh, 18 to 19-year age group. Some maybe of 25, another maybe of 45 or 50 plus. So there is generation differences, and each generation have their own traits. Each generation people have their own values. Then gender, we have different genders like male, female. Another is religion. People have different orientations, and this religion, have impact on their dresses, itinerary, languages differently. Then this workers with disabilities, definitely few of the firms join make join such peoples who are differently able. Maybe they have vision problem, they have learning and mental health issues. So these type of workforce are also um, welcomed by the organization. Another are military veterans. Like most of the organization, if we talk about in the security point of view, so they hire such employees who are retired from military, as they have a strong team working and a strong discipline um, to manage the workforce, to manage the organization. So this is what we call as work cultural diversity. Hope the topic is clear now.